Includes one replacement lens for the B423A light. Durable acrylic lens provides maximum reflectivity. Easily replaceable lens for convenient maintenance. Dimensions: 2-3/4 WX2H. Color: amber. The Blazer B9423A amber rectangular replacement lens is a direct replacement for 423A clearance and side marker lights. The durable acrylic lens provides maximum reflectivity. Easily replaceable lens for convenient maintenance. Top reviews from the United States. Good for what I got it for. I got this to test out laser diffusion for a project I am working on, and it seemed to diffuse the laser across the wall pretty well. An added bonus is that it has already helped calm my fussy son down several times, as he had never seen anything like it, and he forgot about whatever he was fussing about immediately and started chewing on this.